Hey guys, welcome back. All right, this is going to be a really quick video. Just want to do something that's hopefully helpful to people. I have a Samsung Galaxy S10 phone here that a few weeks ago I dropped and I broke the screen, which is a bummer. But the worst part about this whole thing is that the screen turns on, so it still kind of works. I've got some dead pixels along the bottom here, and then up at this side there's like some weird, let's see, you can see this janky, like bright purple line here. That's a bummer, but what's worse is that you can't get into the phone. The touch screen aspect of the screen is actually stopped, so I can't use my thumbprint to get in. I can't interact to put in my passcode or my pattern or any of that stuff. It doesn't work. So obviously I'm a little distressed about this at the time because I have a lot of data on here that I would like to at least transfer, and in order for me to get the data from a phone to the computer, I have to be able to log in. So I searched around and I found a way that you can get into your phone. And all of my Samsungs come with these little adapters. This one is a USB-C to regular USB. My older ones had a micro USB to use, the same kind of thing. I don't know if other Android phones come with this, and I don't know if this works on other Androids. It probably does. Will it work on an iPhone? I have no idea. My guess is that the Genius Bar wants to make an extra $700, so they're going to make this as difficult as possible. But with an Android, you plug in this little dongle, and you take a mouse. I have an old computer mouse here, and plug it in like so. And then when you move this, it gives you a cursor, which is awesome. So I'm gonna, if I swipe up, I get my passcode, put in my code here, boop. Now I'm into my main screen. So let's see. So you can work it just like normal, just like swiping with your finger, but you're using the mouse, which is very handy. So it's a great trick. Now you don't have to use an old janky mouse like this. You can use a regular wireless mouse, like my laptop mouse. It has one of these little dongles that goes in here, fits in like so. Now this mouse is attached, and you can see I still have a cursor there that works. Very, very handy. It made my phone basically work again for about a week until I could get my replacement phone, which I'm using now. Very handy. Yeah, and there's other things that happen when you plug in these phones. And when I was in Korea a few years ago, they had a dock, like a docking station that had a screen and a keyboard and a mouse, and you just plop your phone down and it plugs in, and then it opens your phone as though it's a desktop. And it looks just like a desktop computer. It has the full screen, folders, access to everything in your phone, but just like you're at a laptop or something. It's very, very convenient. I haven't seen them here in the United States, but they have them in Korea. I kind of would like to get one. But anyway, it works the same way. So I was reminded of that when I found this trick. But hopefully this is helpful to some people. If it works for you, let me know. If it doesn't work, if you try it on an iPhone or something, let me know if it works on an iPhone too. I have no idea if there's a way to do that. So anyway, hopefully it's helpful. And I'm getting out of here. See you guys soon. Bye!